You sit down to work. You have a plan. You know exactly what you need to do. 5 minutes later, you're on your phone, scrolling, watching videos, checking notifications. How did this happen? Again, you blame yourself. I just need more discipline. I need to try harder, but here's the truth. Your lack of focus isn't about willpower. It's not about working harder. It's about something else, something that's been controlling you without you even realizing it. And once you understand it, you can take back control. The hidden reason you can't focus. Think of your brain like a car. You want to move forward, but something keeps slamming on the brakes. You push harder, try to force yourself to concentrate, but no matter what you do, you keep stopping. The problem isn't you, it's your brain's environment. Right now, 3 invisible forces are destroying your ability to focus: overstimulation, lack of clarity, and poor mental energy. Let's break each one down so you can finally fix them. Start overstimulation. Your brain is addicted to distractions. Imagine a little kid eating candy all day. At first, 1 piece makes them happy, but soon they need 2, then 5, then an entire bag just to feel the same rush. That's exactly what's happening to your brain. Every time you check your phone, scroll social media, or switch between tasks, your brain gets a tiny hit of dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel rewarded. But over time, you build a tolerance. Now, focusing on a single task feels boring compared to the instant gratification of checking your notifications. You've trained your brain to crave quick hits of pleasure instead of deep, meaningful focus. That's why sitting down to read a book or work on a project feels painful. Your brain is desperate for its next hit of stimulation. How do you fix this? Start your day without your phone. Give your brain time to reset before flooding it with notifications. Use the dopamine detox technique. Set a timer for 10 minutes. And work distraction-free. Then take a 2-minute break. This retrains your brain to tolerate deeper focus. Delete one app that steals your time. You don't need to eliminate everything, just remove one major distraction and see the difference. Now that we've tackled overstimulation, let's move on to the second major problem: lack of clarity. Your brain doesn't know what to. Have you ever walked into a gym without a workout plan? You see the weights, the treadmills, the machines, but because you don't know where to start, you just wander around. You do a little of this, a little of that, but you never make real progress. That's exactly what happens when you sit down to work without a clear plan. Your brain gets overwhelmed. Instead of starting, you procrastinate. You open YouTube. You scroll through emails. You convince yourself that preparing is the same as working. But the real reason you're avoiding the task, you don't have clarity on what you actually need to do. How do you fix this? Use the rule of 1. Before starting work, decide on one specific task. Not 5, not 3, just 1. Plan your most important task the night before. When you wake up, there's no decision fatigue. You know exactly where to start. Break big tasks into micro steps. Instead of writing finish project, write outline project intro. Tiny steps reduce resistance. With clarity, taking action becomes easy, but there's still one more piece of the puzzle, like poor mental energy. You're running on an empty battery. Imagine you have the fastest, most powerful phone in the world. It can run any app, process anything instantly, but if the battery is dead, it's useless. Your brain works the same way. If you're running on poor sleep, bad nutrition, and constant stress, no focus strategy will save you. You don't have a focus problem. You have an energy problem. How do you fix this? Prioritize sleep. Aim for at least 7 hours of high-quality rest. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Fuel your brain. Avoid sugar crashes. Eat foods that provide sustained energy, proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Move your body. Even a 5-minute walk can reset your brain and improve concentration. Now let's put everything together. Taking back control of your focus. Right now, your ability to focus isn't broken. It's just been hijacked. Your brain is overstimulated, overwhelmed, and exhausted. But the good news? You can fix this starting today. Reduce distractions. Give your brain space to reset. Get clear on your tasks. Stop letting uncertainty lead to procrastination. Protect your energy. Focus isn't just mental, it's physical too. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these strategies and commit to it for the next 24 hours. Not tomorrow, not later. Right now. Drop a comment saying I'm in if you're ready to take control of your focus. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone. We claim our focus together.